Welcome. In front of me is a TECNO Pova 6 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, you will want to open up your standalone contacts application, like this one. Next, click right here on this gear icon and then navigate to Import Export Contacts. Select where you want to import your contacts from. I'll be selecting a SIM card, which is this one right over here. And then it asks us where we want to import contacts to. I will be selecting phone, but you can choose Google accounts if you want as well. And this in turn should display all your contacts that are located on your SIM card, at least that's what I have selected. And we can quickly select all of them by clicking right here at the top. Maybe if you want most of them, you can still utilize that and deselect contacts that you don't want. From there, click on OK, and this will import all selected contacts to your contact list, which you should be able to see in the list right here. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.